Now we're ready to start an example of solving an inequality. I look at the inequality and I want to isolate the x term. So I'm going to eliminate the constant 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. I'm left with negative 4/7 x is less than 8. At this point, I have my x term and a constant on the other side, so I'm ready to get rid of this coefficient in front of the x. In order to eliminate that negative 4/7, I'd have to multiply by the reciprocal, negative 7/4. If I do that on the left-hand side, I'd like to do the same thing on the right-hand side. And this is where my little alarm goes off. If I multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative, I'm going to flip the direction of the inequality, or change the sense or order of the inequality. At this point, I have x left here, and over on the right, I can do some canceling. I have 2 times negative 7 is negative 14 over 1. I don't have to put over 1. So here I have now isolated the x and solved the inequality. Now I'd like to graph that solution. So I'm going to mark that boundary point, negative 14. And I see that x is greater than it, but not equal. So that means I'll make the open circle. X greater than negative 14. Here's the greater than side. Things that are bigger than negative 14 are this direction on the number line. And that's the way I would write my arrow.